Making dumplings at home is a rewarding culinary adventure. It's a process that connects you to centuries of culinary tradition and brings a sense of accomplishment when you finally taste the fruits of your labor. It all begins with gathering your ingredients. Having everything laid out and ready makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. For the dough, you will need strong plain flour, water, and a pinch of salt. These basic ingredients come together to form the perfect dumpling wrapper. These simple ingredients are the foundation of your dumpling wrappers. The dough should be smooth and elastic, ready to be rolled out and filled. The filling is where you can be creative. You can mix and match different ingredients to suit your taste and dietary preferences. Ground pork is a popular choice, but you can also use ground chicken, beef, or even lamb. Each type of meat brings its own unique flavor and texture to the dumplings. Finely chopped Napa cabbage adds a delightful crunch. It also helps to balance the richness of the meat with its fresh, crisp texture. Seasonings are essential for a flavorful filling. They bring out the natural flavors of the ingredients and add depth to the overall taste. Soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, and garlic are staples in dumpling fillings. These ingredients provide a savory, aromatic base that enhances the flavor of the meat and vegetables. A dash of white pepper adds a bit of heat. It's a subtle touch that can make a big difference in the final taste of your dumplings. The key to a delicious dumpling lies in the filling. It's the heart and soul of the dumpling, providing not just flavor, but also texture and aroma. A well-made filling can elevate a simple dumpling to a culinary masterpiece. In a large bowl, combine your chosen ground meat with the finely chopped Napa cabbage. The meat can be pork, chicken, beef, or even a plant-based alternative. The key is to ensure the meat is fresh and of high quality. The cabbage will add a lovely texture and sweetness to the filling. It also helps to keep the filling moist, ensuring that each bite is juicy and flavorful. Now, for the flavor. Add soy sauce, sesame oil, grated ginger, and minced garlic to the meat and cabbage mixture. These ingredients are essential for creating a rich and savory profile that will tantalize your taste buds. These aromatic ingredients will infuse the filling with a savory depth. The ginger adds a slight heat and freshness, while the garlic provides a robust and earthy undertone. Don't forget a pinch of white pepper for a subtle kick. This small addition can make a big difference, adding a hint of spice that enhances the overall flavor without overpowering it. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly with your hands or a large spoon, ensuring everything is well combined. This step is crucial as it ensures that every bite of the dumpling is packed with flavor. Take your time to mix it well and you'll be rewarded with a filling that's perfectly balanced and delicious. Now comes the fun part, wrapping the dumplings. This is where you can get creative and have a bit of fun with your food. It's a great activity to do with family or friends, making the process not just about cooking, but also about bonding and creating memories together. Lay out your dumpling wrappers on a clean surface. Make sure they are evenly spaced and not overlapping, as this will make the wrapping process much easier and more efficient. Hold a wrapper flat in your hand and scoop a spoonful of filling into the center. Be careful not to overfill, as this can make it difficult to seal the dumpling properly, and may cause it to burst during cooking. Dip your finger in water and moisten the edges of the wrapper. This step is crucial as it acts like glue, helping to seal the dumpling securely. Fold the wrapper in half, creating a semicircle. Make sure the edges align perfectly to ensure an even seal. Pinch the edges together firmly to seal the dumpling, making small pleats along the curved edge. These pleats not only look beautiful, but also help to ensure the dumpling is securely closed. Repeat the process with the remaining wrappers and filling. This repetitive action can be quite meditative and relaxing, allowing you to perfect your technique with each dumpling. You can arrange the filled dumplings on a lightly floured tray to prevent sticking. This will keep them from sticking together and make it easier to cook them later. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Section 4. Cooking to perfection. Dumplings offer versatile cooking methods, steaming and pan frying. Steaming yields delicate and juicy dumplings. Arrange the dumplings in a single layer in a bamboo steamer lined with baking paper. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the dumplings are cooked through. Pan frying creates crispy bottoms and tender tops. Heat oil in a pan and place the dumplings flat side down. Cook until golden brown, then add a splash of water to the pan, cover, and steam until the dumplings are cooked through. Section 5. Serving and savoring your dumplings. Dumplings are best served immediately. Arrange them on a platter and garnish with chopped spring onions for a pop of color. You can enjoy them as a snack, appetizer, or even a main course. For dipping, mix soy sauce, vinegar, and chili oil for a tangy and spicy kick. Get creative with your fillings. Try vegetarian versions with tofu and vegetables. Experiment with different dipping sauces to find your perfect match. Dumplings are a culinary canvas, so feel free to explore and enjoy the delicious possibilities.